Applying function with multiple arguments to create a new pandas column. I want to create a new column in a pandas data frame by applying a function to two existing columns. Following this answer, I've been able to create a new column when I only need one column as an argument. However, I cannot figure out how to do the same thing when the function requires multiple arguments. For example, how do I create a new column by passing column A and column B to the function below?
Alternatively, you can use numpy underlying function. Or vectorize arbitrary function in general case.
You can go with that green African example, if it's possible for you to rewrite your function. But if you don't want to rewrite your function, you can wrap it into anonymous function inside apply, like this.
This solves the problem. You could also do
if you need to create multiple columns at once. Create the data frame. Create the function. Assign the new columns.
Popsicle Puzzles.